Hello YouTube, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a basic Rescript project. Let's get started. First, let's create a project directory and initialize the project. I'm using pnpm here, but you can use npm or yarn. Next, let's install some Rescript dependencies. Alright, let's open our package.json and add some npm scripts to make our lives easier. Other than that, we also need to create a file called bsconfig.json. I will explain what is the content of bsconfig.json file. But for now, let us create a simple Rescript file and try to compile it. Let's add a hello world code. And then we are going to run the command to build Rescript files and run it right away with Node. There you go. We managed to print our first hello world. Alright, let's pay attention to the src directory. So we see here that Rescript has created a demo.bs.js. Let's inspect the contents. We see that Rescript generated a simple JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm going to explain what's inside bsconfig.json. First, the name here just refers to the project name. Sources dir here just tells the Rescript compiler where to look for Rescript files. And subdirs here tells the Rescript compiler whether to recursively find Rescript files in subdirectories or not. Package specs module CommonJS just tells Rescript compiler to generate JavaScript modules using the CommonJS syntax, that is, using the require keyword. InSourceTrue tells the Rescript compiler to generate JavaScript files in the same directory as the source files. In this case, the src directory. If it's false or we omit this, then the Rescript compiler will actually generate the JavaScript files in the lib directory. So let's try it. As you can see, Rescript generates the JavaScript file in the lib.js src directory. If we put this to true, then the Rescript compiler will generate JavaScript files alongside the source files. Next, suffix is just the suffix of the generated JavaScript file. BSC flags here refers to extra flags to pass to the compiler. In this case, we say that we want to open the Rescript core libraries so that we can use its contents without prefixing with Rescript core every single time. BS dependencies is just a list of dependencies just like package.json dependencies. This will be searched in Node modules. There you go, we just created our first Rescript project. It's really easy. This is something that I like about Rescript. The Rescript team has made it so that the developer experience in terms of tooling is really easy to use. So thank you, Rescript team. Lastly, if you're feeling lazy, let's just clone the official Rescript starter kit. And if you look at the Rescript project template, basically it contains the same files that we just created. Alright, that's all for today. Let me know what are your thoughts about this video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.